it's getting foggy behind me, it's because this is a steam room and I love going for steams. I think that they are so important for your health and for your overall well-being. When I lived in a condo, I used my condo's amenities and used the steam room that was in the building, and I absolutely adored it because I would use it all the time to deep condition my hair. The main focus of my spa day today is going to be exfoliation, blackhead removal, and deep conditioning for my hair. So I'll show you the products that I'm going to be using. Unfortunately, I can't bring the camera into the steam room, but half of my routine is going to be in the steamer, and then I'll come out and show you guys what I'm doing. Before I steam, while my skin is still dry, I'm going to be using this dry brush. I've had this for years and I use it before I take a shower, and it really takes off tons of dead skin. I use it especially after waxing because I get a lot of ingrown hairs. My hair is curly, it's thick, and I find that this really helps with preventing ingrowns from happening, and you'd be shocked by how much dead skin it actually flakes off. So I'm going to be using it in circular motions. I'm going to wash my hair like usual, shampoo and condition, and then I am going to deep condition with this Eden Coconut Shea hair mask. Eden is a Black-owned hair care brand, and I'm really excited to try out the Coconut Shea line. I smelled it while I was in the beauty supply store, and it smelled heavenly. Deep conditioning in a steam room is fantastic because it opens up your hair follicle and really allows that product to get into your hair and to really soak into the follicle. I talk about deep conditioning so much because I'm obsessed with it, but it's really helped me with my hair growth. While I am in the steam room, I am going to exfoliate my face with this Neutrogena Blackhead Eliminating Scrub. I get a lot of blackheads, I have oily skin, and my acne flares up. As you can see, I definitely don't have perfect skin. So exfoliating, I hope, is really going to help me with getting rid of some of this buildup and some of these clogged pores. And I'm going to follow up actually with a blackhead removal tool that I just got on Amazon. I'm really excited to try it. For my skin, I'm going to be exfoliating with this Muskoka Cranberry Body Scrub. This is by Soapstones. It's a Canadian brand, and it smells great. It smells like cranberries. And it's a lovely consistency for exfoliating the body, but of course not the face. So I'm gonna sit in the steam room for about 15 minutes so that I can do some meditation, really sweat, get those toxins out. And then when I come out of the steam room, I'm going to be using a face mask after my blackhead removal. Shall we? Just joking, give me some privacy. I set the steamer to 108 degrees Fahrenheit so that I could work up a nice sweat. And I also added some essential oil to the steam. I chose to go with lavender essential oil because I find it really relaxing and soothing before bed. Steamy. I had to step out for a second because I have low blood pressure and I get so hot when I'm in the steam room, so I give myself breaks. I was in there for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna drink some water, put my deep conditioner in, and just take it really easy because I don't want to get hurt. Always consult a physician before using a steam room or sauna. Okay, that was really hot. Now I'm gonna turn off the steamer and exfoliate my skin, wash my body, wash this deep conditioner out of my hair, and come back. I'm all steamed and showered and very mellow and relaxed, and now I am going to be moisturizing since my pores are open. I'm going to be using this 100% pure shea butter from Garnier, which is deeply moisturizing. I love deep moisture, whether it's my hair or my skin. I need to be 100% head to toe dripping with moisture, and shea butter really helps with that. So I'm gonna apply this to my body, but not my face, because it could be comedogenic and I don't wanna clog my pores because my skin's already oily. It does not need any clogging. I got this blackhead remover on Amazon, as I mentioned. It is the Xpreen blackhead remover with LED screen. and it came with 4 different pieces for skin. So one of them's for tightening pores, one's for exfoliating, one's for blackheads. They're all different shapes. A charging cable, and I've never used this before. I have it on the circular head, and there's a soft, normal, and strong setting. But as you can see, I could use some blackhead sucking, particularly on my chin and on my cheeks. I'm gonna go with normal, shall we? I'm not sure how long I'm supposed to leave it on, but I have sensitive skin and look, it's already red. Maybe I'll put it on soft just to be on the safe side. Oh, ew. There's definitely like oils and stuff around the rim, so it's getting something. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, it's sucking it out, I see. Next up, I am going to use this face mask. It is free of parabens and mineral oils. This non-greasy mask with charcoal and algae extract draws out impurities that can clog pores for a deeply cleansed feel. 15 minutes, charcoal, algae, and hyaluronic acid mask. Ooh, it's black. I don't know why I was expecting that like typical white sheet mask. It's really thick. It feels like cloth. I look like I like BDSM. Life hack, I always use the leftover liquid that's in the pouch and pour it on my neck and décolletage area for extra penetration on some sensitive parts of the skin. Oh, my towel just fell. Sorry, guys. Okay, she's back. All done. I feel really fresh and moisturized now. To finish off, I'm going to be using these Pimple Patches. I love them. I put them on pimples and the next day I don't have a pimple, and all the like goo and pus has been sucked out by the patch. So I'm gonna put this on a few of the areas that have a little bit of inflammation and then call it a night. They come in 3 different sizes, which is great as well. I'm also going to drink tons of water tonight because I was in the steam room and it was dehydrating. I was sweating, so I'm gonna make sure to replenish with at least a liter of water, and see you guys in a little bit. Oh my god, so I was in the middle of braiding my hair and I noticed that I bruised under my chin with the Blackhead Remover. So hopefully this is gone by tomorrow. I do have a little bit of a streak here as well. It's popped blood vessels for sure. I had it on the soft setting, so. Anyways, check back in tomorrow, see how this looks. Here is my next day hair and skin. My hair, first off, is very soft and there's no frizz, so the mask did a really good job of penetrating my hair and moisturizing. And for my skin, it's nice and smooth. I definitely noticed that it's a lot softer because it's been exfoliated and the mask helped moisturize. I do still have that bruise. Keep in mind, I do have very sensitive skin as well, but it could be possible that I left that Blackhead Remover on for too long. There's like endless construction outside, so I'm sorry for the noise. And definitely my skin is brighter and the size of the zits, like the inflammation, has gone down. Overall, I hope you guys like this video and I hope you like my spa routine. And if you have any skincare tips or things you want me to try, let me know. Bye!